Okay, so the beef bacon has been curing for about 12 days now, so it's time to wash it off. Just want to rinse all that stuff off. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the fridge for 24 hours to let it dry out, and then we're going to smoke it. We're about ready to smoke our bacon, and what we've put into the smoker here, the Bradley smoker has these little pucks that have all the different kinds of wood. And we have a mixture of whiskey oak, cherry, and apple wood that we're going to smoke our beef with. You want something a little stronger to get over the red meat taste of the beef because it's quite potent. So that's what it's going to be. Now we're going to put in our bacon. Okay, we're just going to put it into the smoker now. And we only put the smoker on itself. We're going to put it on the top rack to keep it nice and cool so we can smoke it for a little longer before bringing it up to temperature. I'm just going to put the probe in here. Put it in through the end. Make sure it's deep down into it. Our bacon has hit 125. Oh my gosh, it is looking delicious. We're going to bring it in and try some.
How's it?
I can't say it tastes like. Yep. It does taste like bacon. It's so rich.
You have arrived.
I have arrived at beef bacon. Wow, that's very different. It doesn't taste like pork bacon. It tastes like beef bacon. It's like steak and bacon.